Weather can be seriously strange. Rain, snow, hail, and other ordinary forms of precipitation can be troublesome. Can you imagine if fish, spiders, or even a strange substance that looked a whole lot like blood started raining down from above? Well, some people around the world certainly can. Here are some of the weirdest things that have ever fallen from the sky. Fish. There are flying fish and then there are falling fish. The sight of fish falling from the sky, though certainly bizarre, is not as uncommon as you might think. There is a perfectly scientific explanation for a tornado-like phenomenon that can actually suck marine life out of bodies of water like lakes and oceans. The wind will then carry the fish inland when they will come tumbling things that have rained from the sky to the ground. It's been documented everywhere from Sri Lanka to Australia to Mexico. Frog. Frogs can also fall victim to waterspouts, surprising land dwellers when they fall from the sky. There are reports, both ancient and modern, of frogs and toads tumbling from the heavens. In 2005, residents of Odzaki, Serbia, saw thousands of tiny frogs fall with passing storm clouds. Golf balls. You have probably heard cautionary tales about golf ball-sized hail, but what about actual golf balls? News reports recount dozens of those very things falling from the sky in Punta Gorda, Florida in 1969. Waterspouts and an abundance of golf courses were thought to have been behind this strange and dangerous occurrence. Spiders. The veritable horror show that is a rain of spiders is not as uncommon as arachnophobes might hope. Spiders can't fly, but they can build a parachute with the best of them. It happened in 2015 in Australia and then even more recently in Brazil in 2019. Coffee additives. In 1969, a South Carolina factory producing the non-dairy creamer Cremora was struggling with malfunctioning air vents. The clogged vents allowed the powder mixture to leak out into the air, where it mixed with falling rain and fell in a gloppy mess onto Chester, South Carolina. Meat. Could cloudy with the chance of meatballs be real life? Not quite. This meat rain was less meatballs than chunks of meat, and you definitely wouldn't want to eat it. Flakes of meat that suddenly seemed to fall on their town of Olympian Springs, Kentucky in 1876. The two men reported that it tasted like mutton or venison. Money. After learning about spiders and meats, we will talk this one any day. Raining money has occurred several times throughout history. For instance, in 2015, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of United Arab Emirates dirham currency showered over Kuwait City. Space junk. Now this one actually makes a bit more sense, since it makes sense that space junk would be in the sky in the first place. Sometimes some of the numerous satellites and tech simply loses steam in orbit and tumbles towards the Earth. In fact, an entire model space station, Tiangong 1, is currently falling toward Earth's surface. Blood. It sounds like a scene straight out of the book, but Zamora, a city in northwestern Spain, actually did experience a real-life blood rain, or at least the red tinged liquid falling from the sky looked a lot like blood, and set Zamora residents guessing about the origins. It turns out the such red rains are totally natural. The red coloring comes from a type of microalgae plant that produces the red pigment. Sharks. An Australian journalist covering flooding from Cyclone Debbie was shocked to come across a dead bull shark that was apparently swept up in the deluge. The 5-foot-long bull shark was found dead in the floodwater puddle.